Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 6 in exercise 4.3 quadratic equations. The problem is the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So here you see the diagonal of a rectangular field. Actually, we have a rectangular field whose diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So anyway, here we are going to talk about a rectangle. So first draw a rectangle, and here this is the shortest side and this is the longer side and this is your diagonal. Okay, first be clear with this. Now, the diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So, what does this term more represents? More represents a plus sign. Now, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, again here also more, so this represents a plus sign. So, here you see there is a relationship between the diagonal and the shorter side, and again there is a relationship between your longer side and the shorter side. So find the sides of the field. Okay, we have to calculate the sides. So first thing here is, you see, let the shorter side be x. Okay, let this side be x and let the longer side be y. Let this side be y and let the diagonal value be z. So when you look carefully, you see, okay, first let us write the relationship between the sides. So here the longer side is, what is the longer side? Longer side is y. So y is equal to 30 meter more than the shorter side. So 30 plus, what is your shorter side? Your shorter side is x. So y is given by 30 plus x. The next one is diagonal. So here the diagonal value is z and this value is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So z equal to x plus 60 because x is your shorter side. So first write the relationship between the given things, right? Now when you look carefully, you see this part, this represents a right angle triangle because here the angle is 90 degree. Here we have a perfect L shape. So when you apply Pythagoras theorem, so here we can write z square is equal to x square plus y square. So here z square is equal to x square plus y square. This is as per Pythagoras theorem. And here we know how to write z and how to write y. So just replace the values. So z is replaced by x plus 60 and y is replaced by x plus 30 and here the respective squares. Now we are going to expand this in the form of a plus b the whole square. Similarly here also this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So when you expand here, what happens? You see a square, right? This is your a and this is your b. So a square, that is x square, plus what is b square? It is 60 square. 60 square is nothing but 3600 plus 2ab. 2 into x into 60. So 2 into x into 60 makes 120, right? You see 2 into 60 into x. So it is 120x. And here this x square plus, again this is a plus b the whole square. So a square is x square and b square is 900 plus 2ab. So here 2 into x into 30. So 2 into 30 is 60. Therefore 60 into x, 60x. So once you simplify here, we have x square plus 3600 plus 120x is equal to, you see here we have 2x squares. So x square plus x square, this is 2x square plus 60x plus 900. Now we are going to move this entire equation to one side, right? So here we have 2x square and here I have x square. So I can move this side to the right hand side because I always need a quadratic expression with a positive x square. When you move this part, okay, this part to the left hand side, what will happen? X square minus 2x square will give you minus x square as answer. Okay, that we don't want. So I am moving this x square to the right hand side. So when you move this to the right hand side, there is a sign change for all these three terms. So here you see this part as such here, and when I move this part to the right hand side, there is a sign change. So here it becomes minus x square minus 3600 and minus 120x equal to 0. So once you simplify, here we get, you see 2x square minus x square is x square, and 60x minus 120x is minus 60x, and again 900 minus 3600 gives you minus 2700 equal to 0. So now we are going to solve this quadratic equation by using the formula. So here when you use the formula, you see the value of A is 1 and B is minus 60 and the value of C is minus 2700. So what is the formula? Here it is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we know the value of a, b and c, so just substitute here. So here this minus, so minus of the value of b is minus 60 plus or minus square root of b square. So that is minus 60 the whole square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into minus 2700 the whole divided by 2. So here minus into minus becomes plus. So plus 60 plus or minus square root of, here minus 60 the whole square gives you 3600, and here minus 4 into minus 2700 makes plus 10800 the whole divided by 2. So here the thing is 60 plus or minus square root of 14,400. Okay, when you add these two we get 14,400 the whole thing divided by 2. So square root of 14,400 is 120, right? Because you know 12 square is 144. So here we have 2 zeros. So to the 12 when you add 1 0, then it is easy, right? I believe you people know, right? 12 square is 144. So here that is 144. So 12. Here we have 2 zeros. So whenever there are 2 zeros inside a square root, then for a perfect square number, we will be having 1 0. So here it is 120. So 60 plus or minus 120 by 2. Now we can split the roots. So how you can split the roots? 60 plus 120 by 2, and here 60 minus 120 by 2. So 60 plus 120 gives you 180 by 2, and 60 minus 120 minus 60 by 2. So when you solve here, we get the answer as 90 and minus 30. So here we are discussing about the sides of a rectangular field. So the sides of the field should be always positive, right? So we should consider only the positive number and not the negative number. So here we are considering the value of x as 90 and not as minus 30. So when you took the value of x as 90, you see here the length of the sides. So the length of the sides are, it is already clearly mentioned here, right? The shorter side is x and the longer side is y and the diagonal is z. And here everything is related with the shorter side, that is the value of x. So here the value of x is 90, that is the shorter side is 90. What about the longer side? The longer side is x plus 30, that is 90 plus 30, which gives the answer as 120. And the value of the diagonal is not asked. If it is asked, even we can substitute the value of x here. The value of x is 90, right? So 90 plus 60 gives you 150. So here you should mention the units then and there. Right. So that's all. This problem gets over here. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.